So what's going on, YouTube? So this is a 2-year going on 3-year review of my ramp build. Had some people comment and say, how does it look now? And look, it still look pretty good. And the way I did it, a lot of people didn't like it, a lot of people liked it. A lot of people talk crazy on how I did it, but look, made it simple and plain. You know, I'm not no concrete pro, none of that. But look, it's holding up 3 years in. And as you see, I take my bike on it, my lawnmower on it. You know, still holding up. So yeah, man, I'll make this stuff harder than what it is. It look like crap. How you did it wrong. You didn't do this. You didn't do that. Hey, it's working for me, and it's still working right now. 3 years in, no chips, no nothing. It's still thick. Still got everything in there, man. Look, still look good. So yeah, this is my 3-year review. Like, subscribe, share for more videos like this. For more videos on my man cave. Yeah, check out the man cave. You know, a lot of DIY going on around here. And you know, my latest, my deck I got going on. So yeah, man, like, subscribe to the channel, Will TV.